Day 525, Attempt 172.
I'm known as Little Miss Fortune. Why? Well, my dad was arrested for unknown reasons. My mom abandoned me. My childhood pet, Percy, died. You must be wondering, right, why I'm documenting this? Well, I'm stuck in a room.
Bakit ka even to? Ikaw! Kaya! Alam mo yung sasabihin niya ka?
I thought I was doomed. I did everything. I talked to everyone. Well, except for one.
Hi.
It's Mr. Lucky Guy.
Can't really remember anything before the loop. So I documented because apparently what I have to do is undo what I did, which by the way was never wrong in the first place. I don't really know why I hate him. How could you not? Nung umulan ng swerte, ay sinalon na niya lahat. Literally.
Hi, I'm Vince.
Hello, I'm Nicole. Excuse me.
Gagi kayo. Anong ginawa? Miss.
Ano pa nga ba yun? Ready na naman ni Nicole para saluhin lahat ng kamalasan sa mundo. Woo!
I thought everything was fine by now until I saw him once more.
Hi, Nicole!
Hey, Nicole?
Hi.
Ano ba kailangan mo dyan?
Obvious ba? Ito yung libro.
Nagtulungan lang kita dyan. Ito ba?
Hindi.
Alin ba? Ito.
Hindi. Ako na nga.
Nicole?
Namatay na naman ako?
Little by little, I started to change. I found myself doing nice things for others. Until one day, we just clicked. One fateful day, we once met again at the bridge.
Hey, have you ever been stuck in a situation na you never wanted? Kasi ako, oo. Kahit ilang beses kong subukan na kaya, hindi ko magawa. Napapagod na ako sa paulit-ulit na kamalasang nangyayari sa buhay. It might sound stupid things, pero I've been stuck in a good place. Lahat ng kamalasang nangyayari sa buhay ko, paulit-ulit yung buhay ko. Namamatay ako kapag may isang bagay ako hindi nagawa ng tama. Tapos, gigising ulit ako para harapin ulit yung mga kamalasang mangyayari sa buhay.
Nicole?
Ano ba yung nasa supot na yan? Nagugutom na ako. Kainin na natin!
Gustong kita nang makasama hanggat di pa ulit. Dito ka lamang tumabi sa akin kahit sandali.
Nicole? Okay ka lang? Ano nangyari, Nicole? 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 Nicole! Ano nangyari, Nicole? Nicole! Akala ko ikaw, pre.
Kawawa naman si Nicole. Nabalitaan ko may sakit daw siya.
I've never been this misfortunate before. Or I was. Until I met her. I knew all along when I first saw you. I thought you're just unlucky. Now I know you're trapped in a loop too.